So if you have an older iPad case like this one from Logitech, sooner or later the battery in the keyboard is going to die, and you're going to probably be a little bit confused as to how to charge it. That's because it doesn't have a charging port. There's no USB port or anything like that built in. It actually is battery powered. You'd think when it connected with the iPad would just kind of charge the keyboard somehow, but that's not how it works. It does have a couple batteries, and they're really hidden away, so it's a little bit confusing to figure out how to change the battery on this thing. To go ahead and change the battery, you're going to need some sort of sharp, pokey little tool, and then some of these batteries. These are CR2032 batteries. They're kind of maybe like the size of a nickel, and they're easy to find, but you might have to get them online to save some money, but you can get them at a CVS or Rite Aid or whatever you have near you. So you're gonna need 2 of them. To change the battery, you're going to have to fold the case back on itself like this and find this little shelf right here, or this little slide out thing. And there's a little tab right here that you're gonna wanna try to get your nail into, and it's probably not gonna work. You're gonna need a pencil or something a little bit sharper, or maybe a pen tip, and poke it in there. I've been using these scissors. You don't want to use something too sharp because it could scratch up the plastic, but something is going to have, whatever it is going to be pretty stiff, and just kind of slide it out there. And at this point, you could try to grab it with your nails, but it might be kind of hard, and just tug it out. And so here's that little carrier right there. You'll see it says 2032 positive sign, 2032 positive sign. And next you'll have to get your batteries. That's right here. And you'll want to open that up. This could be a pain with these. They tend to be pretty secure, so that no one opens up these and swallows them or anything like that. And then with the battery, you'll see that there's a positive sign here, and this is your negative side. So you're going to go ahead and get the carrier and just pop it in like that, and should feel pretty secure in there and flush across the top. And you'll repeat that with the second battery. Those little springs will hold it in place, and it'll be ready to go. Then you get the carrier with the batteries facing up, and you slide it in here. Pops in securely, and now your keyboard is good to go. And that's how you change the batteries on your Logitech iPad case. Thanks for watching.